Hello, this is the Hellebore painting I've done for the Vimeo workshop. As you can see, it's a white hellebore and the centres are so interesting, and with it being a white flower you can really go to town on the background by going in really dark and making the white flower jump out. It's pure watercolour, this one, so don't forget it's a one-off payment. You can keep it for as long as you wish and watch it as many times as you wish, and that goes for all the other on my Vimeo channel library as well that you might want to have a look at. So why not join me and let's have some fun painting this beautiful hellebore.